How to see tweets from private Twitter account without following. Before moving towards the video, make sure to watch the video till the end so that you will get the solution for your issue. Now, first of all, you have to go ahead and open the Twitter or the X application. Make sure to sign in on your Twitter or X account. Once you have logged into your account, tap on the search icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. And at the top, tap on the search bar and search for the person whose Twitter account has been private and you want to see the tweets of without following. As you open it, there is the lock, that means all these posts are protected here and the followers will be only able to directly view their tweets on their account. So there is one trick to view their tweets on this private account. One thing is you can simply know the username of the account. Get back from this page and search for the username. When you go for it and search for it, then you will see all the tweets that has been tagged or they have interacted with other persons. The other person's profile will be seen with whom they have interacted with them. So directly Twitter won't let you see the tweets from private Twitter account without following, but from this way we can simply know what they find interesting or what kind of tweets they make on Twitter account.